Hello, my dear subscriber. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. Welcome back to my amazing channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends, this channel is uniquely and especially designed for fashion addict all over the world. And friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today, in this video, you will see the brilliant variety of leather skater dresses designs for lovely women. My dear friends, these plus size leather skater dresses designs are picked very carefully with the vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So friends and my lovely viewers, a humble request to all of my lovely friends to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any my video, just tell me in the comment section. So next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear friends, we have a huge variety of anything which is related to your fashion. And if you have an impressive sense of fashion, we can definitely learn something from you. Friends, take a look at this video and stay updated to my amazing channel Fashion Addiction, because this channel provides you latest fashion news and lifestyle events in your country, and you will daily find a couple of videos about all type of fashion and all type of dresses designs. So friends and my lovely viewers, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. So friends and my lovely viewers, this is our YouTube channel and we brings you the best of the best from each designer's collection, and making it possible for our viewers to feel like they have a personal stylist. So friends and my lovely viewers, I will wait for your kind comments, and thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you loved it. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. And friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Love you all friends.